Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, we'll be talking about Skeem Saam that was aired on the 3rd of June 2025. Firstly, let me give you a recap on the episode of the 2nd June 2025. Thabo, Leeto and Maggie Maputla, they are siding together while John Maputla is on his own. And Leeto promised Thabo Maputla to support him. John Maputla suggested Leeto and Thabo should have walked away and Maggie are no. Babono karke magwala. Clement signed the NDA form and he was told not to share the Tabaja Berry FM with anyone. And now he went home, shared the news with the family. And Remantuli Agas Fomol. Now Kwaito Liena, on the other hand, he's busy telling Kat about that. Hi, DJ Thomas has no remorse, Shem. DJ Thomas has no remorse at all. He told KG that these women, they call themselves strong and independent women. Ba ilahlela monna, so nna ke dieng. Yena o inyakela mmereko wa hae fela hore Mapitsi yena le Mapitsi ne ba di ana taba. O inyakela mmereko wa hae because that is the only thing ya e tsebang for bophelo ba ka moka. Maggie Maputla thinks Thabo should tell Pitsi the truth, but Thabo is afraid to tell him because your mother is cheating. In the previous episode, the Maputlas were having breakfast and Tibos received a call from Kwaito regarding their company. Kwaito is concerned about the audit. And Warra, on the other hand, he's facing a lot of things. There's a lot on Tabo's plate. So Pretty called her mother and told her about the offer Kubas gave her, and Mantuli wants her to take the offer. Mapiti said a reminder of Tipiti's tournament. And she regrets Uri. Now she can't even attend her son's tournament because of her actions. And Rangwani told her to go to the tournament for the sake of her son. But Mapit is ashamed and afraid of the Maputlas. She doesn't want to fight with Meiki and Tibos. Or even worse, to make things even worse for Pete at school. Mapiti took Rangwani's advice and ended up going to the Maputlas to support her son at the tournament. And mother-in-law wasn't happy at all, but for the sake of Piti, they have to make him happy. Piti was so happy to see his mother. Tibos finally agreed with Mapiti to the tournament. And finally, Piti won the tournament. They finally made it home and Piti, he was so happy. And now it was time for Mapiti to leave. But Piti said no, and the room was awkward, but Tibos ended up agreeing or Mapiti must stay for dinner. She was really need a closure from Mapiti. He wants to know the truth, nothing but the truth. He asked her about the bracelet, and Mapiti told Tibos Mahagauri bracelet we take age. All to find out or the bracelet was bought by DJ Thomas. And also the reason why Ceci Bethel left. She told Tibos Hori, now she's losing her family, her marriage. Now DJ Thomas is engaged. He told her he doesn't want a divorce, and Mapiti was shocked after hearing that because she thought she lost her love, family, and her marriage. Kanti no, my boy will realize it for the sake of Bana, aska divorce because Bana ba happy with batswadi ba ba felletseng. Tibos gave Mapiti a second chance, and also he told her to leave. Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.